looks like.
Yeah. If it's some pro models that don't want to come apart, sure.
Making it come apart the hard way, I didn't know that.
Oh hey, look at that. The motor. Still not apart.
Fucking aluminum heads. Fucking 14.5 to 1 sons of bitches right there. On alcohol. No biggie. I don't see a hole in the center.
Expected to see it on this side right here. And then burn right there, see it?
What do you think about the black? That block, what type of fucking headlights is that? Just the tip. Hey, about 4 years worth of runs on a Chevrolet head gasket on an undecked fucking block. Clean Chevrolet. Really burned a little bit on the edge. And that hole where the plug was completely disintegrated on the end for the Cunningham tune. That's what it looks like. I stuck the scope in there. I wanted to see what that was. It's just where it scraped it. We're good. And the powerhouse in these.
Oh, there'd be one. Yeah, that's right.
And these powerhouses, aluminum heads. Look at that. 194, 158s. Cast fucking iron. Here. My very first port work I've done too wasn't as whoopy either. We got close. Wasn't really whoopy. Nothing done to those heads.
See how nice it is between these two? That one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not. What happened to the gas? We caught it early. They misfired them for one. I'll bet you the other side the same way. Won't make it back.
I don't know, I felt the back burning like fucking crazy underneath my feet. It was loud, obnoxious right where my feet were.
Things could have been worse. If they'd have went ahead and flowed out and went into water, we wouldn't be using the same engine. When you get it, sir, you have to go around and check the sand.
Dad, we are now live.
It's a little shorter on that load. You might want to report that.
What an orderly bus. I'm tossing that fucking camshaft. Now it's broke. Keep that so much. Huh?
No fix.
No, that's why I'm keeping it.
Lamp.
Can't say that. That's going on fucking Facebook.
I bet you on the flat. Still running.
You know what? That's okay. You can't take somebody saying the N-word. You're a pussy.
Hey,
Got a blown head
You
gasket.
just have to delete that part.
Can't delete it.
You got a blown head
think
gasket
I-
and a cam bolt missing.
better than Porch Monkey. And that was on video, so
Hey, here. You can't take any of those racial slurs, even though people have been saying it for hundreds of years, and you're still bitching about it. You're a pussy.
Show their pressing studs. They're not even screwed.
Yeah, here, look, right here. Pressed in. That's a blurry fucking camera you got. There we go. High fucking definition. You know, it would be better if we can go live, but I think the paint that this building's painted with
Oh,
is
you just
lead.
video?
Huh?
Just video?
Yeah. I would say we can go live, but I think the paint or the foundation of this garage has something to do with lead. I mean, we can hardly get Pandora to go out here, so we're just kind of fucked. We'll just video it. If you'd like, I'll put a little box on top that says live.
this thing blows up in my hand. I'm
Get
pissed.
a good close up on this head where it's blown.
Yeah. I can't tell the shininess in that little black spot. You know, we're blind. Ah. Yeah, here, come here. Follow the finger. Right here. I guess battery critically fucking low.
Not yet. Almost.
I can't hear. Look over here. Shiny, shiny, a little bit black. 4 years. 1 year was nothing but motor passes. The rest has been on nitrous and on a stock Chevrolet head gasket. And that motherfucker just decides to do a little bit of a queef. That's it. You pressed. By you. I mentioned some of this stuff is O'Reilly sponsored. Yeah, really good. Like 10 minutes up the road. No, there's your stock Z28 valve springs right there. Go ahead and get up to the side. Stock Chevy retainers, stock Chevy keepers. Oh, call me redneck, but those look like some freaking camel hump heads right there. About a couple of layers of paint. That makes it a little bit quicker. What?
You're gonna pull it off.
Yes, I'm gonna pull it off. The motor's coming apart tonight. We haven't even got to the good part yet. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm going off the casting lip.
Oh yeah, you got it all.
When I came back.
Yeah, that one.
Fucking right bar.
You should be able to pull it off now, because that side's loose. That side is loose, you're gonna tear the gasket.
You worried about me fucking up these stuff turning the gaskets?
Yeah. You know, see how we have that one hanging right there.
Because I need it out of the way.
Hey, pry bar in these holes. Hi.
Yeah.
Come on, He-Man, you can do it. Because this is how Chase and I roll. Come on, He-Man. Come on, He-Man. Hulk smash.
You get it?
Nope. Because he's weak.
Get it over the little ones.
This head's built 202 160s on one head, that stock one's the other.
Little proof right here.
Same as the other one.
How bad is the gasket?
Like I can't even tell on this one. You know, if the studs had Allens on them, it'd be a hell of a lot easier. Didn't blow the other one, but it started to. Not bad for a little tiny house motor. The stuff.